one of the things that's important, and you can get away with a lot when you have a short event that's an hour or maybe 90 minutes. You can get away with a lot. You can get away with the talking head approach to an extent. But after 20 or 25 minutes, persons are just like starting to zone out, if you will. And when it is just a talking head after another and after another, people do tend to zone out and they get distracted by other things, and then they go away and then they come back. And so the learner retention rates are very, very low in those types of settings. When you are creating interactive elements where the person is asked to, oh, take out your phone and scan this and then go and look that up, or whether, and they're put into breakout groups, and they kind of keep them on their toes because they like, what's coming next, you know, this is really interesting. That's the feedback, I think, Martin, that we got, particularly from the Friday session, which had a lot of breakout groups built into it, where people were like, wow, that's the most engaging online event I've ever been to, because they never knew what was coming next. There was always something new ready to happen.